Are you ready to take the leap toward true energy independence? Imagine the security of generating your own electricity, the freedom from rising energy costs, and the sense of accomplishment from creating a system that's completely yours. Sounds complicated? It's not with the Lost Generator. It's easier than you think. The Lost Generator is an in-depth online program that empowers DIY enthusiasts just like you to build their own sustainable energy system using thermal energy, a method rooted in the groundbreaking concepts pioneered by Thomas Edison himself. Whether you're an experienced tinkerer or someone with absolutely no experience in electricity, this program makes energy independence accessible for everyone. You might still be wondering, can I really do this? Yes, you absolutely can. The system is designed to be dummy-proof, breaking down complex processes into simple, actionable steps. Armed with affordable materials you can pick up at your local hardware store and detailed blueprints, you'll be fully equipped to take on the challenge. Even if the idea of thermal energy sounds intimidating, the easy-to-follow instructions guide you through it all, from assembling and wiring to testing and maintaining your generator. But the Lost Generator is much more than just a guide. It's a complete lifestyle tool for anyone invested in sustainability. With your purchase, you also gain access to Edison's archive, an exclusive collection of bonus guides and resources that help you live a self-sufficient life. Emergency preparedness. Learn how to be ready for anything. Compost energy generator plan. Turn organic waste into energy. Safety and maintenance template. Keep your generator running efficiently. Mastering home heating guide. Create a warm, energy-efficient home. The potential doesn't stop there. You'll also discover techniques for combining your DIY generator with other energy inputs like solar panels, wind power, and even manual crank energy. And the perks? Endless. You'll save money on energy bills. You'll reduce your carbon footprint. You'll gain peace of mind knowing you have a reliable energy source no matter what the grid throws at you. Don't wait to take the first step toward energy independence. Whether you're prepping for an off-grid lifestyle, aiming to be more self-reliant, or just curious about how this tech works, the Lost Generator is your go-to solution. Click the link below to learn more and get started today. With a 60-day risk-free guarantee, there's absolutely nothing to lose and a lifetime of energy security to gain. Join the self-sustainability revolution with the Lost Generator. The power is in your hands.